So normally you would color correct and exposure correct in the same correction, but since we're going to be taking a before and after look at the end, we're going to create a new correction by clicking correction 1 and add correction. So this gives us a completely blank correction, but without deleting our old correction. So we do still have our color correction, but it's on correction 1. We're not going to be able to exposure correct just by looking at our image. We need a video scope. To bring up a video scope, you want to click View and Show Video Scopes, or simply hit Command 7. This brings up whatever video scope you might be on, but you want to change it to Waveform and Luma. I'm going to go ahead and make this a bit bigger. Alright. The Luma waveform only gives us the information that we need by showing us the Luma values and not showing us the chroma or the color values. The Luma waveform goes from -20 to 120, where 0 represents black and 100 represents white. Taking a look at the Luma waveform, you see your Luma values, but you can also see where on the picture that your darkest and your brightest parts are. So going from left to right, we have our 2 flowers on the left, which are pretty much highlights. Then we have leaves, then it goes down again. And we have a very bright flower on the right. And then we have leaves again. So you basically just want your brightest part to just barely touch the bar at 100. And then you want your darkest parts to just barely touch the bar at 0. So let's start off by dragging up our highlights, which is the white knob under the exposure menu. So you want to drag it up just a little bit until the brightest part just barely touches the line. Right here is good. Then you want to drag your shadows knob just down a bit. And this is good right here. So right here. Then you can adjust your midtones all after what look you want. And I think I'm just going to decrease mine a little bit. And with the global control, you can basically do the same all after what you feel like. And I think I'm just going to let mine stay like that. So that's basically it. Let's go ahead and take a look at before and after by clicking Hide Video Scopes.